We might not always be able to be together right now, but we're still communicating. We still need to connect. We still need to engage with one another. And that's why I'm filming this video. That's why I'm reaching out to speak with you today. Now, it's no secret that what's been going around, coronavirus, everything that's been happening, has rocked a lot of our businesses. It's created cancellations in events. It's meant that we haven't been able to connect with our team members, with our employees, with our coworkers and our associates. But it doesn't mean that we have to stop communicating. We can still reach one another. We can still reach out and have great conversations, give outstanding presentations, make meaningful engagements through technology such as this, with video conferencing, with live virtual events, with virtual training here on camera from the safety, from the security, and the comfort of our homes. So whether you're looking to address the communication issues that we're now experiencing in this very strange time in your online virtual event, or whether you're wanting to better empower your team to communicate more effectively in person and through the medium of video conference and online presentations, I am here to help. I can help you through dynamic and engaging keynote presentations that are able to lift up the spirits of your delegates and of the people that you're trying to reach, even though we might be miles and miles apart. If you're looking for assistance right here, right now for your team to help them become better communicators in this online environment, then connect with me regarding virtual workshops and virtual learning sessions. I can help you help your team create better, more engaging presentations so that you can recreate that feeling of being in person with your own clients and with your stakeholders, creating meaningful connections, getting business done, and communicating with one another the way you need to. If you're planning events that are going to be happening down the road, once we are able to travel and see one another in person, then reach out and I am happy to discuss how I can contribute, how I can help you make an outstanding experience for your live delegates through in-person keynotes and presentations. So please, send me an email, give me a call, drop me a line, however you like, and let's get started. It's imperative that we keep communicating, keep connecting, and I am here to help you do just that.